Hello everybody, and welcome back to Lessons Learned. I am so excited. I am here with a haul from Simon Says Stamp today, and I have been waiting to get my hands on this collection for some time. I am so thrilled. This is a designer by the name of Karin Joan, and she has just a lovely line featuring these, I guess, paper doll like figureheads, if you will, and you can customize them with different clothing, different skin tones, different hairstyles, different jewelry, different facial expressions. I mean, this is just such a phenomenal and fun collection, and I've been trying to get it, and sometimes they would be out of the different elements that I needed, but I finally struck gold and was able to get the major pieces that I need. So this is the Betty. You're going to need the Betty because it has this main figurehead here that's going to allow you to use it as a base to make the other ladies in the collection. So Betty comes with, of course, this figurehead. You know, she has different facial expressions, well, different eyes. She has different hair, different shirts. You know, you can cut this out on pattern paper, solid paper, metallic paper, shimmer cardstock. I mean, the possibilities are endless. You have a lot of different flower pieces, sentiments, believe, and then you have some stickers also. So this is going to be the base of the Missees collection. Then we have the Carol, and I love Miss Carol. Miss Carol's rocking her little natural curly hair here and her hoops. But again, you have different hairstyles that you can design in different ways. You have a set of glasses, a feather, and again, some more facial expressions with flowers. Love life and be girly. Just gorgeous. Then I also got the Tasha, because we want to be like Beyonce. We want to put our hands up, right? So this Tasha features a hand. There are so many cool things that you could probably do with that. Hugs or presenting a bouquet of flowers. Think along those lines. Tasha has some wild and fun hair here. She also has some facial expressions and then some different expressions for her mouth. We have a bow tie. We have some cute bunny dogs and bunny ears here. So cute. This says sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. I love it. You have what looks like a cat here, a cat die, a dog die, different bows, some hearts, different jewelry. Here is like a bangle for the arm, and it looks like a watch here or a ring. So this is going to be very, very fun, and I'm sure we'll be able to do a lot of exciting things with Tasha. All right, I also got this other piece by Karin Joan. This looks like kind of a miniature of the Betty here. It is a starter set. It says here starter set, and you see you have another figurehead. Looks like you have a pigtail here. I guess you can make this Primarina lady here. But you've got some different hairstyles, some different things going on. Looks like you have this covering for her shoulders, and again, some facial expressions. How are you? You were on my mind. So if for whatever reason you may not be able to find the Betty, the Tasha, the Carol, all of those different designs, this is also an option. It's a smaller figure piece here, but you can still work with that. And to coordinate with the Primarina, we have Anna and Bella here, and these are stamps. So you can stamp with ink, you can emboss, You know, again, more facial expressions, hairstyles, and they have a bubble phrase here. Don't worry, be happy. Happy friend birthday. Thank you so much. How are you doing? So again, some necklaces here. So this is going to be a lot of fun as well. Again, some more coordination with our Misses dies here from the Karin Joan Studio Light collection. We've got some clear stamps here with shawls, some earrings, necklaces, pearls here, and here's an open mouth. Here's some more mouth expressions. Dangling earring set here, and again, I'm thinking embossing, you know, embossing with white, with cream to make a pearl-like effect. So many ideas here coming to mind. So another good piece to the collection. And we continue to add here. We have some necklaces, which are just divine, more facial expressions, more stamp pieces for clothing, eyeglasses. Looks like a beautiful headband that we can do some cool and fun things with. So some great ideas here as well. More stamps with more sayings here. Hooray, I love you, sorry, oh no, and other little smaller, didn't mean to hurt you, I forgot your birthday, it's your birthday. And we again have a design here with different facial expressions, mouth expressions, so just adorable. Love, love, love this stamp here, the stamp set. Yes, hold on, great job, hello. And the smaller stamps, you did it, you can do this, so proud of you. How are you? Again, here we have a smaller figurehead here that's a stamp with a variety of different designs. Looks like we have some kind of stand or a table. I'm not sure what that is, but just great ideas for stamping. And I got these papers from Memory Box. I actually kind of got into the Karin Joan collection from one of the great designers that I follow, Jennifer McGuire. So I saw the collection described on her YouTube channel, and she recommended these cardstock papers from Memory Box that have very, you know, earth tone natural shades. And so I got this one, you know, to reflect the diaspora. So we'll see how this works out with those. I also snagged this cap and gown. I have another video, I'll link it here on the top, that talks about looking for graduation cards around this time of year, or graduation dies or stamps, and not really being able to find much. So of course that time of year is coming around again, so I wanted to be proactive. So I got this cap and gown die here that, you know, you can customize by die cutting on different colors, and you can do all sorts of fun things. So this is going to be used in some of my graduation cards that are coming up. This embossing folder from Simon Says Stamp. This is the geometric lattice. This creates such beautiful texture on cards, on glimmer cardstock. It's lovely. I mean, I am just all in my feels about the way these embossing folders of late are just so beautifully designed and so intricate and have such great texture, and really allow your cards that extra something that takes them up a level. So I'm looking forward to crafting and embossing with this folder. I have been needing a die to hold gift cards, and so I finally shopped this one from Simon Says Stamp. This is a pop-up gift card holder, so it can fold with your cards and just hold that gift card right in the middle. So looking forward to creating cards with this gift card holder inside. Here is just a wonderful die cut that says girl, and we can match, you know, this die cut with many of the sayings and stickers from the stamps and the die cuts that were also a part of those Karin Joan dies and stamps that we discussed earlier. So this is a very good find. And Simon was having a special. Thank you very much, Simon. I think I bought the dot runner and I got the dot runner refills for free. So thank you very much. I need a lot of adhesive, so great to have this on hand. And last but certainly not least, I got this little case here of, what is it, 4 or 5? I'm not sure. But this can just hold my knickknacks, my gems, little things that kind of get away from me, die cut pieces. I can just kind of put them in these little tubs. So that wraps up our haul pretty much. Thanks again so much for watching. I cannot wait to create with all of the product here, and I'm just looking forward to having such a great time. Thanks, Simon Says.
If you've already subscribed, be sure you click the notification bell to see all of the cards created with this wonderful collection, as well as the other supplies. Please share the video and comment if you found something inspirational or helpful. Thanks again so much for watching. Until next time, remember to bloom just where you're planted. Goodbye. God bless.